This video should serve as a quick introduction to the 3D Building Designer. This is a free tool that we provide to help people still in the planning stages determine what they want from their building. We hope it helps you even if you aren't our customer. If you have a design that you are happy with and you're ready to move forward, you can submit your model instantly, and one of our building consultants will reach out to you with an exact price quote. No fuss, no hassle, and no pressure. The price quote we provide will account for your local wind, snow, and seismic factors, which are completely different for each and every customer. Because every building is made a little differently, someone in Florida will have different needs than someone in Idaho or California. These are made to order, so you can decide for yourself what you want. But what if you can't get your design exactly the way you imagine it? No problem. We know from experience that no tool can match our customers' imaginations, and almost every customer makes changes to their building after they begin. We hope this helps you, and we look forward to earning your business.